Hello and welcome to my videos. My name is Ashish and today we are going to learn how to write simple loop statement in Java. But first, let's learn what is the loop. A loop is a fundamental control structure in programming that allows a set of instructions to be executed repeatedly based on specified condition or a defined number of iterations. Loops are essential for automating repetitive tasks and iterating through collection of data. They enable efficient and concise coding for operations that need to be performed multiple times. So here are typically two types of loops in programming. First is conditional loops. While loops and do while loops. These are types of conditional loops. In conditional loops, a block of code is executed repeatedly as long as specified condition is true. If the condition becomes false at any point, the loop terminates. Conditional loops are suitable when the number of iterations are not known in the advance, and the loop's continuation depends on a condition. Second is for loop. The for loop is typically used when you know the number of iterations in advance. Let's look at conditional loops in deep. So first is a while loop. In the while loop, this while loop is used when you want to repeat a block of a code as long as a certain condition is true. In this example, we have integer I. We have initialized it to 0. In while loop, we have condition I is less than 10. This the code block after written in this after condition written in curly braces. This code will be executed in each iteration. In this example, we have system.out.println iteration plus I and I plus plus. So the text iteration and the value of I, which is going to get incremented in each loop, will be printed on your console. Next is do while loop. The do while loop is similar to while loop, but it guarantees that code block is executed at least once, even if the conditions is false from the start. So in this example, we have integer I equal to 0. The do we start with do keyword, and then there is a code block which we want to get executed in each iteration. Here also we have system.out.println statement with text iteration plus value of integer I. The code block is executed first and then the condition is checked. So if the condition is true, loop continues. Otherwise, it terminates. Next loop is for loop. The for loop is typically used when you know the number of iterations in advance. The loop control variable is initialized, tested, and updated within the loop or loop header, making it suitable for situations where you have a number of iterations. In this example, we have integer I initialized to 0. Second condition in the loop after semicolon is I less than 10. This condition is checked after every iteration. If this condition is satisfied, then we move ahead to execute the code block and we increment the last section of the for loop. We increment our fixed number, that is I. The loop will, in this example, the loop will run 10 times, why with I starting at 0 and incrementing by 1 in each iteration until it reaches to 9. These are basic loop constructs in Java. You can choose the one that best suits your needs based on the problem you are trying to solve and the loop control flow requirements. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe if you are liking the content. Thank you.